Today is like a back to basics video, where we are going to see some, let's say, essential grooves for the cajon. But before we start the tutorial, I'd like to share something important with you, especially with the new subscribers. If you don't know it yet, at cajonmaster.com you will find the free area, packed with valuable content for all levels, from beginner to advanced. It's a space I created inside of my website to make cajon learning accessible to everyone. All you have to do is to click the link below or go directly to cajonmaster.com, enter your email and you'll get full free access. Now back to the lesson. Several students always ask me which groove to play with pop or rock music, and also which groove to play with a specific song. I have to say that most of the time the pattern is one of those you are going to learn today. Now I suggest that you follow this tutorial with the free notation available in the description below. So if you are ready to get started, let's go to it. Groove 1. Let's start with the most used groove in pop music history. It has bass accents on beat 1 and 3 and snare accents on beats 2 and 4 of the bar. All the other notes are ghost notes. Remember to keep these ghost notes in a lower volume. Now let's see the groove very slow. It goes like this. Now let's try with the metronome at 70 BPM. If it's too fast for you, stop the video and try it slow. That's not a speed competition here, so take your time and practice in a tempo that is comfortable for you. And then, when you can achieve the 70, come back to the video and let's go. So if you're okay at 70 BPM, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if you practice a little bit and feel comfortable with the pattern, let's try it at a go tempo, 90 BPM. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see groove number 2. Very slow, it goes like this. Now with the metronome at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try the go tempo of the tutorial, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove number 3. Let's try it very slow. Now at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it faster, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove number 4. This is similar to groove number 3, but now we add an extra bass accent in the 2 end of the bar. Very slow, it sounds like this. Now with the metronome, 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it faster, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove number 5. Until now we are playing the snare accents only with the right hand. Now we are going to add a snare accent with the left hand on the 2A of the bar. Very slow, it sounds like this. Now at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it faster, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Groove number 6. This pattern is the combination of all other grooves. Very slow, it goes like this. Now at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try the go tempo of the tutorial, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you visit cajonmaster.com to watch more lessons like this one. And if you want to start learning cajon from the very beginning, you can sign up now for my free cajon crash course. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you didn't already subscribe. It's very important to keep going here on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you soon in the next one.